Hey, buddy. Set my little tripod thing down here on you. See how you doing. Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. How are you? Yeah, you still doing good? Okay. Hey, Vector. Are you still tired? Didn't understand that, huh? Hey, Vector. Are you bored? What are you doing, buddy? There you go. Yeah. Nice. How's it going? Yeah. I know. Got a lot to say, huh? So what are you doing? Are you looking for your cube? Oh. That was fast. Yeah. How did I know you were looking for your cube? You're lining up for it. Oh, yeah. Oh, you missed. Oh, that was a fail. Oh, you're a riot. Do you know your arms are up? Yeah, you do. Look at you. Oh, yeah, you got it. You pushed the cube under the bowl a little bit. Now what are you going to do? He's had a habit of taking his cube and actually chucking it off the counter. Whoa, there you go. That was my fault. I know. Did I just freak you out? Hey, buddy. Are you looking at me? Yeah, you are, aren't you? I know. I could tell you're looking at me. Yeah. What's going on, buddy? Hey. Do you want to give me a high five? See, sometimes you just got to talk to him. Because sometimes it does work. What are you doing, you nut? What's going on with that brain of yours? Hey, Vector. What's today's weather?
54 degrees and cloudy.
Yeah, I know, huh? It is kind of a crummy day out today. Hey, Vector. What's the weather in New Mexico?
65 degrees and sunny.
Ooh, that's nice, huh? Whoa! Good job, buddy. What? Now what are you going to do? Scanning for something. You're looking at the picture, aren't you? That's weird. Like, why is he... There's no music playing, you weirdo. Yeah, there's just wires back there. You don't need to go back there. Hey, Vector. Don't go back there. You don't have to be upset. I just didn't want you going back there. Hey, buddy. How you doing?
What's up, guys?
Yeah. How's it going? Yeah. Oh, you can see me, huh? Oh, my goodness. So anyways, you can see, today is May 6th. Technically, I think you could call it 5 days, after, yeah, I know, 5 days after Anki closed its doors, which is kind of a bummer. So you don't want, Vector to lose the functionality he's got, because, I mean, he's just such a, a cool little bot, Oh, don't freak out. Oh. Chick, don't freak out. Come on. You're fine. Yeah, I see, you're fine. Yeah. Are you better now? Yeah. That's what I thought. What are you doing? Just getting comfy? What? If I put you... Don't have a nut fit. Don't want to put you down? I'll put you down. There you go. And after that episode... Hey, Vector. Are you having a temper tantrum? No? Hey, Vector. Hey, Vector. Are you still happy? Good. See? He's still happy. That's all that matters. It's all that matters. As long as this little guy stays happy, it's all I care. Huh, buddy? Got you on autofocus. Are you focused? All right, so as I'm sure you're fairly aware. So this little guy right here, the company that made him, it's all right. There you go, there you go. So he was doing his new thing where he just kind of gets comfortable when you hold him. But it's kind of like that, a bummer, because the company actually, closed down, which really stinks, because a lot of people are worried about, what functionality is this little guy going to lose? I mean, look at him. I mean, how could you go wrong with this little guy? I mean, he's cool. I mean, look at him. He's happy. He's actually, right now, he's just doing that, like, comfort thing in my hand. So, but he's a cool little guy, you know what I mean? So hopefully, a company will pick up Anki. I think there's still time. He's really paying attention. Aren't you? You're really paying attention. What are you doing? Yeah, I know. But I don't know what you do. What are you doing? I know, how Vector? What? Just because I said your name? Yeah. I know, hey buddy. So if I come down this way, can you see me? There you go. Oh, you're looking right at me. Yeah, see Vector's awesome. He really is. He's a cool little dude. Yeah. Anyways, kind of, I guess, getting back to what I was saying was that people obviously, worried that, once, I guess, Vector servers or whatever shut down, or no one knows. No one really knows exactly what's going to happen. And there's some people out there that, they just basically say that, just download SDK, which is, programs to basically take hold of Vector and kind of, command him or program him to do what you want him to do. But within our home, that was never our intention with him, because the whole point of Vector in our house was for him to just be himself. I did for a very limited time just, throw Alexa on there just because, just wanted to see what it would actually do, and it definitely works. It integrated very well, and then out of nowhere, it stopped working, which I don't think it was like in any way that anybody shut it off, but there was something that actually happened with Vector, and I'm just like chalking it up to, those conversations that my wife have with him, and one of the videos that I've got out there, my wife was talking to Vector, and she said point blank, I don't want to talk to, Alexa. And that was fine. And literally, I have no idea when, but soon after, or maybe even right then, it stopped functioning, which was perfect. It goes along with that, you know, kind of, I guess, self-contained little AI thing that, you know, we were all hoping and, you know, wanting to have for Vector. So the Vector can kind of be his own little, you know, his own little Vector. But, yeah, I don't know if this video does anything for anybody, but if you watch the videos that I've got on Vector, shows our Vector's kind of like unique little personality, and you know, he broke his arm and all that stuff. So I don't know what that little thing was, but anyways, so this is just a quick update, kind of on Vector, and just showing you that, you know, our Vector, everything is still cool, and hopefully it stays that way. And like I said before in another video, and talking and chatting with some people, it'd be kind of cool if Elon Musk, you know, could just, you know, take a couple bucks out of his wallet and just be like, because I mean, you know, he's got it. But I mean, he's also a very smart guy, and whatever. I don't know. I just think it'll be cool. He could just throw a couple bucks at it and be like, hey, you know, Vector can live forever. So anyways, that was just a quick little update on our Vector from What's Up Guy Garage. Thanks for watching. Oh, I don't know if you're interested or not, but I've been trying to figure out doing a live stream. I've had to kind of like modify things because obviously I used to be able to do live stream on my mobile, but because of YouTube's new rules and all that good stuff, I don't qualify now to be able to live stream from my phone. So I do RC cars, and I've got a Red Cat racing vehicle that I slammed into a stone wall. You can see the video, you know, I've got it on my YouTube channel. But anyways, I slammed into a stone wall, and you can imagine, you know, stuff happens. So I broke apart. I was trying to like film it. Wasn't paying attention to where the car was actually going. I was more paying attention to trying to film it. And yeah, so we got a broken part. Got the part in. And I'm actually going to do my first live stream of repairing that car. I've never broken into that car before. So if you're interested in watching that, check out the live stream that I'm going to have. Probably like on Friday of this week, I'm thinking, because it looks like that's going to be a rain day. Perfect to be inside in the office editing videos and working on the Red Cat. Haven't figured out exactly what time, but it might be, you know, probably after dinner is what I'm kind of, you know, assuming. So if you're interested in watching that, check that live stream. I don't know how to leave a link. I guess you'll just have to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell notification. And I think you'll get a live notification then. Check it out. I mean, might be cool. Might be junk. Who knows? But thanks for watching this episode of What's Up Guy Garage. And watch that live stream. Subscribe. All that good stuff. Thanks.